Hello there, Hector Davil here. I'm just recording a quick video now that I have some time because I am following the euro against the Japanese yen for a potential London Open breakout setup, okay, for a potential London Open breakout type of trade. Actually, let me zoom out a little bit more in my charts. As we can see, as per the last few days, actually 1, 2, and 3 days, we've been downtrending quite nicely, okay? Take a look at the color of those individual boxes, all right, on the in the daily box indicator, all of them in red. So certainly we've been downtrending as per the last 3 days, and now we are going through a little bit of, sideways price action as per the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 hours. As per the last 8 hours, price has been moving sideways throughout the entire Tokyo session. The London market has just opened up right there. And therefore, I am see if I can get a market acceleration, okay, a market reaction as the London volume kicks in the market, okay. Now, given this type of setup, a nice, beautiful downtrend, I am both looking or willing to trade either continuation breakouts of this sideways price action or reversal breakouts, okay. So I'm gonna mark the Tokyo range, okay, this sideways price action, and then I'm just gonna wait to see whether we get a breakout to the downside, meaning a continuation breakout, or again a reversal breakout. Both options are equally valid. Now, I am also liking this setup because as I look into the longer time frames, the daily time frame, well, we can see how we don't really have any type of support ahead of price, okay, ahead of current market price. In fact, if I draw an outer trend line there, well, we can see how there's still plenty of room below. Certainly we could score some quick intraday profits in there, and also this is our former resistance level, all right. Former resistance structural point on this chart, but as we can see, it's already broken to the downside. So well, it's not gonna be holding price anymore. If current market price was somewhere up there, I would be very hesitant to search for short opportunities, as I would be trading against support. You don't want to sell against support, you don't want to buy against resistance. Guys, that's a universal trading principle. Don't sell against support, don't buy against resistance. However, since this support line is already broken, I am not selling into that level anymore. Price is already below that level, so I am okay to now search for short opportunities. Again, like I say, my next support level is this outer trend line there, but still plenty of room in there for some intraday profits, okay, or hopefully some intraday profits. So again, my trade plan is to wait for the breakout of this Tokyo range, of this horizontal sideways price action at the end of this downtrend, either up or down. And as soon as that happens, I'll be searching for my typical entry patterns, okay? Obviously, I don't want to overstretch this video far too long, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause it, and if we do get that breakout in the following minutes, or within the next hour, I will certainly keep on updating the video, just to record my trade in real time. Okay? Alright folks, I'll see you in a few. Bye bye. Hello folks, Hector here again. It's just been 20 minutes actually since the last update. As we can see, the breakout, the acceleration is happening to the downside as usual. As the London market, we do see an acceleration, and well, it's driving price to the downside, so it seems like we are gonna get a continuation breakout today. Obviously, I'm gonna be zooming into the 15 minutes time frame now, and I'm gonna be searching for my typical entry patterns. I am also liking how today we've only moved a 33% of the average daily range. That means, well, that basically means that there is plenty of room for further profits. I mean, we've only moved 33% of what this particular currency pair moves on average, right? So still 64% of the average daily range to be covered today, and well, that's exactly where I'm gonna try to make my profits. Anyway, as soon as I get my entry on the 15 minutes time frame, I'll let you know. I'll keep on updating the video once that happens. All right, cheers. Hello folks, I've just been triggered on my trade. That's my entry point right there, 123.93. As you can see, we've gotten the typical breakout pullback continuation pattern, finally breaking in momentum again as the London market opened. Massive momentum bar. Do you see that beautiful long red bar there? And then followed by a little bit of a pullback, retesting the low of the Tokyo session. Okay, that was the low of the Tokyo session there, and another massive continuation candle, which has just triggered my my entry point. All right, my entry level. Stop loss as usual, just above the pullback aspect of this breakout pullback continuation pattern right there. 124.22, and as far as my stop loss, as far as my profit taking level, I'm just gonna push it all the way to the next round number, 123.50. All right, so I'm shooting for about 40 pips. Okay, 41 pips. Taking the spread into consideration. Risk reward on this trade is not fantastically great. I mean, that's my entry, that's my target, and that's my stop loss. The risk reward ratio on this trade is about 1.4 to 1, meaning that I am risking, for every dollar that I risk, I am shooting for 1.4. So again, it's still positive, but it's just not that fantastically good. Okay, but nonetheless, it's positive. So you know, I guess it's good enough. Anyway, nothing special about this trade. Prototypical London Open breakout setup, prototypical acceleration. I'm liking how we are seeing massive candles both at the breakout and at the continuation, okay, within the first hour of the London session. I mean, again, the London market opened there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Within the first 1 hour and 15 minutes, we've seen two nice momentum pushes, okay, signified by those two long candles. And well, it seems like we are going now through a third momentum push, to the downside in the direction of the original breakout. Okay, let's see if we can gather some momentum, and therefore my my profit taking level hopefully should be hit within the next 1 or 2 hours. Again, I'm gonna pause the video now, and I'll keep on updating it as the trade develops in real time. Okay, cheers, bye bye. Hello folks, Hector here again. Just a final update on this trade that I opened about 2 hours and 5 minutes ago on the euro against the Japanese yen. If you remember, I was spotting this breakout of the Tokyo range. All right, a breakout to the downside, and I triggered my entry at that moment, okay, at that level, 123.93. And well, like I say, final update, my profit taking level has been hit at 123.52. Seems like the euro against the Japanese yen keeps on pushing down, keeps on actually seems like it's breaking through this 123.50. I don't know, maybe I exited the trade a little bit too early, but hey, what can I say? That was my my trade plan was to exit at that level, and I've got to stick to my trade plan. At any rate, plus 41 pips in profit in 2 hours, 2 hours and 10 minutes, like I say. That was my entry, and this is the 15 minutes time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, about 2 hours into the trade, 41 pips in profit, not too bad, not too bad. The beauty of this trade is that my stop loss upon entry, like I say, my stop loss has never been challenged at any point, okay, throughout the trade. Price has actually been cruising down rather nicely towards my final target. So, those are the type of trades. Wow, this keeps on pushing down. Beautiful trade. Do you see how, as the London market opens up, we usually see a beautiful acceleration to the downside? That's the type of trades I like to search, again, in the first 2-3 hours of the London session. beautiful acceleration as the London volume kicks in the market. Anyway, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the London Open breakout strategy. Fantastic strategy for those of you guys who like to focus on a rather, intraday trading perspective. Okay, for all of you who are searching for quick trades as the London market wakes up early in the morning. All right, that's all for this video. Cheers. Bye bye.